to the JWell Book Club. My name is Chaim Eckstein. I'm very excited to be with you on this journey as we're covering Eat That Frag with Brian Tracy. We covered the 21 principles of success, and now we are up to the conclusion of the 21 principles of success. The key to happiness, satisfaction, great successes, and a wonderful feeling of personal power and effectiveness is for you to develop the habit of doing the most important thing first thing every day when you start work. Fortunately, this is a learnable skill, and you can acquire that through repetition. That creates the habit in you. And when you develop the habit of starting your most important task before anything else, your success is assured. Review these rules and principles regularly until they become firmly ingrained in your thinking and actions, and your future will be guaranteed. Make a decision today to practice these principles every day until they become second nature to you. With this habit of personal management as a permanent part of your personality, when it's already a habit in you, your future success will be unlimited. Just do it, and I'm so excited to be with you on this exciting, amazing journey with Brian Tracy, Eat That Frag, that we covered this month's JWell Book Club.